Hey everybody. I decided to do some giveaways here on my channel. I've got a lot of stuff sitting around that I don't use, ain't gonna use. Electronics, drones, mostly drones. I'm gonna be doing quite a few giveaways here in the near future. But we're gonna start with this. We're gonna, sort of run a little trial giveaway here, see how things go, and yeah, go from there. This is basically to share the love a little bit with my subscribers, new subscribers, old subscribers. Like I said, there's going to be several giveaways, so you're going to have plenty of chances to win. Uh, so, with that being said, this Bluetooth speaker, it's brand new in the package, never been used. Actually, I think I got a couple of these guys, so I may be giving away more than one of them. Like I say, I'm gonna share the love on this with my subscribers a little bit here, but you're gonna have to work for it a little bit. I'm way this contest is gonna work. You're gonna have to look through my videos. I'm going to name a scene in my one of my videos. You're gonna have to find that. You're gonna have to email me with the name of the video, the timestamp, and that's pretty much it. That will qualify you. This is actually going to be in the lower 48 continental United States, though, due to the shipping cost. We'll take care of shipping costs. So that's the way this one's going to run. Maybe a little different on a later contest, but for the moment, like I say, since this is a trial giveaway, or trial first time giveaway for me, we're going to run it that way. Getting the rules out of the way a little bit. This giveaway is not affiliated with YouTube in any way. Secondly, you do not have to be a subscriber to my channel to win. But it would be advisable because that's how I'm going to notify the winner. So if you don't get my notification when I do the drawing, you're pretty much going to miss out. So that's your choice. Anyway, this is the first of many. Like I say, I'm going to be doing a bigger drawing here shortly, where I'm going to be giving away 3 drones. Depending on how this goes, they're also probably going to be concurrent with each other. So there'll be several contests going at the same time. Like I say, you're going to have to send me an email with the name of the video, the timestamp, and also to know that you're in compliance with the rules and understand that this is going to be shipped to the lower continental 48 United States. I need to know what state you're in that I'll be shipping this to. Also, I'm probably going to disable the chat on this video, the comment section, because if I find someone's been giving out the information or the answer to the giveaway, I will disqualify you. So those are pretty much the rules at this point. The rules may change to keep in compliance with YouTube as need be. But that's pretty much it. Um, all decisions by the judge is final. The judge is me. There you go. Just got to get the red tape out of the way. So I hope you understand. um, like I say, it'd be advisable to go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I am going to be doing some serious giveaways here in the near future. But this is a trial run to see how it's going to go. Um, the giveaway will probably, I'll probably go ahead and do the giveaway when I hit 500 subscribers for this giveaway. I'll also in the email that you send to me, put down the prize uh, that you're trying to win, just to save on confusion. So with that being understood, let's go ahead and get this underway. What I'm looking for in my videos, like I say, you got to do a little bit of work here. You got to do a little bit of searching. One of my videos, I don't have a lot of videos up, so it's not a lot of work. In one of my videos, and if you're familiar with my videos, you probably already seen what it is I'm looking for. So you just got to familiarize yourself a little bit with it. In one of my videos, there are 3 school buses traveling down the road, one right behind the other, all within less than 10 or 15 seconds. All you need to do is email me with the title of that video and a timestamp of where you saw that. And of course, again, the state in which you live. Email me at Mike's Big Drone Giveaway at AOL.com. I'll put that down below, along with the rules and everything that you need to know to enter this contest. There you go. Appreciate it. Appreciate all my subscribers. Like I say, keep an eye out because I'm going to be doing a lot of giveaways. I got a lot of impulse buy stuff that I've got sitting around that needs to go. A couple of which are these speakers, drones, and nice drones too. They're not junk, so they're not toy drones. But keep your eyes open. You'll see that coming up shortly. All right. Appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by.